So guys, here is a tour of the lifts at Redcar Hospital in Redcar. Now coming into the building and going to the doctor's surgeries, which has a lift here which looks like a flipping ball and Jackson lift. So let's go to it. They're closed today. The doctor's surgery are closed. So we're going to have to go to the main lift in the hospital now, skipping that boring lift and going into the main hospital, which is very big. In fact, it echoes a lot in here. Aha! To the lift. It's in the middle of the hospital. And it looks like a Jackson again when it's not.
Going up.
Going up, it's a Northern Elevator Limited. Oh.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going up.
Going up. As you can see there's the yeah, hang on, let's clean the lens for the more clearer. Okay, so
Ground floor. Doors open. Going up.
capacity 30 persons, 1,000 kilos, normal thing.
Doors closing.
Doors closing. And now we move on to the other lift, which is in the main part of the hospital and is a bigger version of what we are seeing. It's in the X-ray radiology thing. We have the... Where's that lift? Yeah, lift 5. It's a patient lift with beds. There's the button, and it is ground.
Doors open. Going
Bro, did you hear a dung? Did you hear that dung, bro? Dung!
Please mind the doors. Doors closing.
Bro.
We can only do this one once, because it's very, very busy today.
Can I just press the button one more time?
Yeah, you press one.
Yeah.
Come down.
It makes a dung sound. That dung sound reminds me of the IRL Elevators game on Roblox, which is copyright. Boom! It just goes ding and then boom, like that. Yep, and now we're gonna go to the lift, at the main lift in the hospital upstairs. So it's gonna go up some big stairs. Which there is 3 lifts here, but it's sad that we can't record the other one, because that one is shut. They are shut today. To the ground floor. Here we are.
Going down.
That's a very loud voice.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing.
Please, my dear. Well, you're in the way of the button. Going up. That the floor vibrated. I do not like the sound of that lift.
Going down.
Jesus Christ. Going down. Oh, flip, everybody heard that.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing.
That'll be the end of today's video. Bye bye.